Today I am going to share with you my earring collection. So I have this huge pile of earrings, or some people call it tops, ear accessories. Okay, so I'll share with you what all ear accessories I have, and for the purpose of this video I'll be wearing this one. Looks very beautiful. Okay, so starting with this earring, this I got from Orna Box. They have this blue box and green box. So I had purchased both of these ones from 2-3 years back. So it came in one of the boxes. These are very small ones. This I got from local. So if you know, in Mumbai, now currently they are not working, but when I used to work and locals were running, they used to come and sell these. So I got a couple of these from there. This one. This is a pendant and earring set. This my brother had gifted for one of my Rakhis. So this is that. This was another pair in the Orna box. I love these. So this is one more from the Orna box itself. These ones I had bought from some local market. I don't remember which. So this also was part of the Orna box. They had because I had bought 2 boxes, there were a lot of pieces in that. So this, I love these. This was when it all started, the mirror thing. Then I had got this. This one again I had got from a local for some 20-30 rupees. This I can't find the other pair. These are the pom-pom earrings. I was pretty crazy for these. This again I had bought from a local market. So this is another pair. This again I had bought from a local market. This is very pretty. This is one of my favorites. It has this beautiful pearl here. If you can see. These pair were gifted by my husband. These are beautiful, beautiful silver. Silver look like, not original silver. These are all fashion earrings. So this is how it looks. Beautiful. I had again bought it from Colaba. Yes, I bought this one from Colaba. Then this I had bought from an exhibition. Some handloom exhibition was there, so I had bought it from there. These are beautiful Meenakari jhumkis. This is how these look. This I had bought with my bhabhi. I told her that I want some Meenakari jhumkis, and she took me to a place, and then we bought these. And these were, I guess, the last pair there, and we kind of ran after buying them so that someone else does not take it from us. Okay, so these are still in their packets. So here in Mumbai, during Navratri, it is a trend to wear a specific color on a specific day. So for 9 days, there are 9 colors. It is a very beautiful thing in Mumbai because every day you see very beautiful ladies in equally beautiful saris, and they are in the same color. So one day it would be all red, other day it would be all yellow, orange, that way. So there are 9 colors decided, and ladies wear that. So for that I didn't have anything in green. I had bought this. So these again were gifted by my husband. These beautiful pair. He had bought these from somewhere, I don't know. I was happy because he bought it for me. Then these are very pretty. At one point I used to think they don't suit me, but I like these. Very sleek and stylish. Very beautiful earrings. Again from a local market. These are very pretty. This was again from a handloom fair. These I wear very rarely. These are again one of my favorites. It's like when there is a trend, I buy one or two of those trends and then I wear it, because like I like to have only one or two of the same kind. Too many earrings of same kind I don't like. Every earring is unique to me and I love every earring. I'm a huge earring holder. So again, when this hassle thing was at its peak, I bought these and I wear it very rarely, so these are very close to my heart. These I love. When this lockdown situation and everything would subside, not the lockdown situation, it is already subsiding, but when this pandemic situation would subside, and you are in Mumbai, I would highly recommend you to go to Colaba market. These are one of my finds from Colaba market. So pretty. And they look so beautiful. Yes. Can you see? So pretty. They look so beautiful. Again, I showed you the pink ones. So these were with that. My husband had bought both the pairs, green and pink. Yeah, these I believe I had bought from West Side. These were again my random find. I had gone to Imagica and from there I bought these. So these are some beautiful butterfly crystal earrings. I had again bought it from Colaba. This was gifted to me by a cute friend of mine. If she is watching this video and she remembers this, please comment up. There's this stall in Colaba market, Colaba Causeway market, as people call it, where they have these, there are one or two stalls. So in one of them, they have these crystal stalls. They specifically sell crystals. So from one of these, I bought these. Very beautiful. I love these. This is again a very classy piece. So with these, I can be all formal, I can be all ethnic, anything. They fit in every occasion. So nice. I normally store my earrings in such kind of boxes. These kind of boxes, these boxes, and these pouches. This is again a very beautiful earring. It goes with a lot of my outfits. And you should always have something like this. So I normally like to keep my small earrings in these like screwable boxes, so they don't get the moisture and everything. These are very pretty. This my mother had bought from one of her school trips. Very pretty. Aren't they pretty? So small and yet so elegant. On days when I don't feel like too much dressy or something, I wear these. Okay, now when you want to have, traditional moment, you should buy these. And sometimes it is very difficult to find earrings to go with white saree, that sophisticated look. So I bought those and these. See, I lost it. Okay, I'm coming. Very pretty earrings. These have these pearls and all. And these have been with me for a couple of years. So I can say they didn't get damaged. Although I bought a lot of these from local train and Colaba and some local markets only. But still they are good because I'm storing them well. If you take care of your jewelry, especially fashion jewelry, they are going to last long. Another jhumki. They have these red finish. This my mother had gifted me when I was in college. and I was like, I want to buy all the imitation and fashion jewelry kind of stuff, and I want to have something like this. She bought something like very small, very very sleek and stylish, very beautiful. When you don't want things all into your face, then these are very beautiful stuff. Very beautiful ones. I love this. Okay, so I'm going to bore you with one more box. So many earrings. I love my stuff. I like to keep them good. So I have these boxes color coordinated. So this is blue, pink, then red, another red. That whenever I want to have something matching, I just pick them up. So in the beginning, I had shown you some of these small ones. So I bought these, some 10, 11 with that. So one of them is this. Another beautiful pair. This is a star fruit. Remember these double-sided ones? One side is this and the other side is this. Another beautiful pair. So cute. I got this one from the kids collection. Orange. Strawberry. Some flowers. This one from again kids collection. Grey. I love these, but I haven't had a chance to wear these. There used to be a time when me and my mom, we were staying in Surat. There we used to buy a lot of earrings and ear access, every kind of accessories from there. So from there I had bought some of these. See, these are again one of my favorites and very old. So I guess a lot of these are 6-7 years old, even more than that. These ones I wear when I don't think any of the earrings match. And I'm wearing a golden sari or a dress with golden work. I wear these. So this ends my earring collection. Very less, I know. I have to buy some more. Okay, so do let me know which one was your favorite, and keep watching this space for more of my collection videos. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, bye bye.